Hello, welcome back to this tutorial. And we have a question here. In a particular school, 60% are females and 40% males. All males have short hair, 50% of males have long hair, and 50% of females have short hair. If a student is randomly chosen, what is the probability that he or she has short hair? And if the student has short hair, what's the probability that he is a male? So this is a very interesting question. Let me start my solution. So we are saying in a particular school, 60% are females. So probability of having a female is 0.6. Okay. And 40% are males. So probability of being a male is 0.4. It said all males have short hair. Okay, all males have short hair. So it means that the probability that you have short hair, if you are a male, okay, the probability that you have short hair, if you are a male, is 1, because all the male have short hair. So this is how I write it. Probability of having short hair, given that the person is a male, is 1. And 50% of females have long hair. So probability that you have long hair, given that you are a female, is 0.5. And let's see. And 50% of females have short hair. So again, probability that you have short hair, given that you are a female, is 0.5. And what are they asking us? If a student is randomly chosen, what's the probability that he or she has short hair? Probability that he or she has short hair. And if the student has short hair, what's the probability that he is a male? So probability that you are a male, given that you have short hair. So these are the two things we have been asked to find. So first of all, what will I ask myself? What is the representation of P of S? So we are going to use total probability here. Okay, so P of S is just P of S intersection M plus P of S intersection F. Okay, and writing it in our conditional probability form is just P of S given M times P of M plus P of S given F times P of F. And what is P of S given M? Is 1. What is P of M? 0.4. So you write that here, 0.4. What is P of S given F? Is 0.5. Multiplying, what is P of F? We said it is 0.6. So we'll evaluate our answer and we get 0.7. Okay, and the next question was probability that you of male given he has a short hair, and this is just P of S given M, P of M over P of S. And we've already found P of S given M times P of M. We see it here. We can see it here. You can see it here. We can see it here as 0.4. So we don't need to struggle to solve again. And we know P of S to be 0.7. We know P of S here to be 0.7. So we don't need to do any other calculation. We say it's just 0.4 over 0.7. And it will evaluate to 0.5714. And that is your probability that you are a male, given you have short hair. Thank you all.